Good day to everyone. So today we here for project 2 are going to present about our remote control pool cleaner as our project. So our group members consist of three of us, which is Kogulendran Satyamurthy, Matish Gopal, which will appear later on in this video, and also me myself, Pravin Karan, son of Bhaskaran, with my metric card number 09DKM21F1050, and all of us are from DKM5E. Okay, so this is our organization chart with our supervisor being Puan Azia binti Hamza. Documentation is going to be Matish, designer going to be Kokulindran, and surveyor is going to be me. Okay, so far this is our project abstract. A remote control pool cleaner have emerged as a technological advanced solution for efficient and convenient pool maintenance. This abstract provides a concise overview of the key features and benefits of these automated devices. By utilizing remote control technology and boat-like designs, remote control pool cleaner offers superior maneuverability and precision in cleaning hard-to-reach areas, such as the center of the pool. These devices effectively remove trashes and dry leaves from pool surfaces. The integration of smart technologies allows for real-time monitoring and control, enhancing the overall cleaning experience. With increased efficiency and reduced maintenance effort, remote control pool cleaners have gained popularity among pool owners and cleaners. Future prospects include advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities, enabling autonomous adaptations to changing pool conditions and optimizing cleaning performance. Overall, remote control pool cleaner represents a significant advancement in pool cleaning technology, revolutionizing the way pools are maintained. So for our introduction, we are redesigning a remote control pool cleaner to create our final year project. As I mentioned earlier, our remote control pool cleaner is basically designed to collect and clean the trashes and leaves that floats on the surface of the water. Our pool cleaner can be controlled and move around on the surface of water using remote system and steer using rudder. So these are the problem statements. So first, we require more manpower to collect the trash. Second, we need high time consumption, not being able to clean regularly due to manual process, more equipment needed for the cleaning process, more storage needed to store equipments, finding or hiring motorized boats each time for cleaning lakes, and higher salary and motorboats costs involved of cleaning. Remote control pool cleaner are one of the best ways to keep your pool running efficiently. Powerful electric motors for propulsion, this remote control has been designed to clean the surface of the open water bodies such as pools, lakes and ponds. So the objective of our project is to design and create a remote control pool cleaner for cleaning the water surface remotely. The scope of this project is remote operated and controlled by a remote control using which it can be maneuvered accordingly. A motorized propeller system to provide the forward propulsion and servo motor arrangement to provide with the steering using a rudder. The remote control pool cleaner provides the following characteristics. Dimension of the boat, length 60 centimeters, width 40 centimeters and height 20 centimeters. Used to collect trashes and leaves on the surface of water. Estimated duration capacity for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes on battery life. Efficient propeller driven navigation system. Easy to operate and user friendly. Can withstand a load of 600 grams of trashes. Uses in swimming pool or lakes with area dimension of 10-meter length and 4-meter width, which is a mini swimming pool. As per the commands received by the remote control receiver, the controllers operates the DC motor which rotates through a flexible bearing and shaft. Now we have 2 times direction control rudders attached to the servo motor used to as the cleaner per controller signals received. So the project impact is remote control pool cleaner improves the efficiency of pool maintenance. They can autonomously navigate the pool, reaching areas that are difficult to clean manually. By automating the pool cleaner process, remote control pool cleaner saves significant time and reduce the need for manual labor. Pool owners and operators no longer have to spend hours of manually cleaning the pool or hire professional cleaning services as frequently. Clean pools require less energy. Regular cleaning with remote control pool cleaner helps maintain better way, quality and hygiene. The pool cleaner removes dry leaves, trashes that can contribute to the growth of bacteria, algae and other harmful microorganisms.
Hello, I'm Atish here. My matrix number is 09DKM21F1120. So now I'm going to talk about my product description. Okay, first of all, we used two rollers. We use rollers because we have to make the smooth movement of items by supporting and guiding conveyor belts. And the roller cylindrical surface minimizes friction between it and the conveyor belt by facilitating the smooth and managed movement of items, that which it makes easier to us to collect all the treasures we want to collect. Okay, then we use a fabric mesh for our conveyor belt. Basically, fabric mesh will give a vital tensile strength and flexibility, and conveyor belts are made stronger by fabric mesh, which helps them to endure abrasion, heavy loads, and challenging environmental circumstances. Its open wave designs promotes drainage and air circulation, eliminating material buildup and lowering the possibility of conveyor system outages. And then we use metal cover and guide. Basically, we use this thing to make sure there is a guide, and it must be act as a protective and guiding mechanism to ensure the safe and effective transportation of items. Okay, and then we use fabricate cover to make sure to build up the body of our remote control pool cleaner. And because of its prototype, we use fabricate cover, and it's a cheap and a good item, which is in a cheap category, and it's very good, and it's a ready to use material, and expertly designed protective enclosures and shelters made of a variety of materials, and in order to ensure accuracy and high quality in their construction, and these covers frequently go through a rigorous fabrication process. And we just assembly a bit, and it's actually very easy to assembly it, and it's very easy to build up the body of the remote control pool cleaner. Okay, and then we used a propeller to create propulsion by pushing a fluid such as air or water around a central hub. And these blades are designed with purpose to create lift and advance the aircraft, and they are commonly composed of aluminum or composite metals. And then basically what they will do is they rotate to provide push, which is used to propel the vehicle underwater. And the propeller efficiency and design play a crucial role in maximizing maneuverability, fuel efficiency, and performance in both air and water transformation. Okay, and then we our remote control pool cleaner make sure have to float on the water, so we use a floating mechanism. Foam floating mechanism is basically a buoyancy device that makes use of foam materials to help item floats easily on the water surface. So we use foam, make sure to our project, make sure to float on the water surface and do its work, which is basically collect the treasures. And then due to its lightweight, air trap in its cellular structure, these four materials are good at pushing water around, which produces a lifting force that resists gravity and keeps the object afloat. Okay, now we are going into fabrication process. So first, we assembly our electrical components to make sure we can set it up into our remote control pool cleaner. And then we go to our next part, which is mechanical part. So first we start to assembly our conveyor belt. So as you can see, this is our conveyor belt, which is a metal guide, and there's two rollers. Okay, and then there's a mechanical part assembly, which I told just now. There's a fabrication steel basically. So we just set it up and assembly it according to our design, and then we spray it out. We use black color spray, and then we spray it completely. And then as you can see, our conveyor belt as with the fabric mesh, it's already done, and it can be start to be testing. Okay, so now we are basically our potential target market is we are attracting residential pool owners, commercial pool operators, public pools, pool cleaning service providers, lake cleaning service providers, pool maintenance contractors, and lake maintenance contractors, and pool builders and installers. That's all from me. Thank you.
Greetings, I'm Kokulana Satyamurthy. I will continue this presentation from here. So this is the detailed design of our project, which we did with the inventor drawing, and this shows the length and width of the project as well as the height of the project. So our project consists of collector, conveyor belt, storage, component room, conveyor support system, and body. The trashes we will be collecting using the conveyor belt. Then it will store in the storage. The conveyor support system will support the conveyor belt from falling apart. And this is the top view, front view, and the side view of our project. So this is the electronic parts we assemble in the project. And this video just now showed you how we control our project using the remote control with the two DC motor and one stepper motor. And these are the list of electronic components that we use for our project. The first one is Arduino Uno. We use Arduino Uno because it is low cost and flexible, and it is easy to program, where we do our program for the control of our project. We use the specification of our Arduino Uno is stated as below. Its operating voltage is between 7 volt to 12 volt, and has a SRAM of 2 kilobyte, and it has a DC current for 3.3 volt pin of 50 milliampere. So the next one is a DC motor 45 RPM, which we use for the movement of our project. Then its operating voltage is 66 volt to 42 volt, and free run speed at 12 volt is 45 RPM, and free run current at 12 volt is 50 milliampere. Then we use a DC motor of 75 RPM. We use this motor for the movement of our conveyor belt, and its free run speed at 12 volt is 75 RPM, as I stated. And the next component is dual channel DC motor driver, which we use to control the two DC motor, 45 RPM DC motor, to make sure we control the two motors simultaneously using for the movement of our uh, remote control pool cleaner. Then we have a single channel DC motor driver to control the conveyor belt, and the LiPo battery as our power source for the project. Then we have Arduino PS2 shield to convey the signals from the PS2 wireless controller to Arduino Uno, so that we can control our project. And the PS2 controller is 2.4 GHz wireless controller. Then this is our cost estimation of our product, and this one is for the mechanical part. We bought aluminum sheet of for 95 ringgit, then bolts and nut for each for 8 ringgit. Then we bought propeller for 115. Then we got our conveyor mechanism mini 175 ringgit. So the total cost for our mechanical part was 450. And this is the cost estimation for our project's electronical components. And the first one is for DC motor 45 RPM, which we bought for RM40, so we bought two. Then the second one was DC motor 75 RPM, which we used for the conveyor belt. We bought for RM50. Then the motor driver 25 ampere, we bought for RM65. The motor driver 13 ampere, we bought for RM45. PS2 shield Arduino for RM55, Arduino Uno for RM60, and our power supply LiPo battery for RM30. And that's all from us. Thank you.
கொண்டு வாடா. வீட்டு தம்பா பண்ண மச்சான். ஓத்தா என்னடா இது? சேங்கடா மச்சான் மச்சான் சிங்கிங்